Hello and welcome back to FABB by Design. Today we're going to gently dive into the calming and elegant world of Hamptons style bedrooms. We'll explore not just one but three beautiful variations: classic, coastal, and modern Hamptons style. So grab your favorite cup of tea, settle in, and let's embark on this delightful design journey together. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's get started, shall we? The foundation of the classic Hamptons style is all about elegance and timeless beauty. We're talking paneled walls, perhaps in a soft dove gray or pristine white, complemented by chunky baseboards and crown molding to frame the space. When it comes to colors, think calming and serene. Soft neutrals and light pastels rule the palette, with whites, creams, and beiges serving as the base colors that evoke a sense of airy openness. As for accent colors, you can never go wrong with navy, or even a subtle hint of emerald green. These colors add just the right pop without overwhelming the tranquil atmosphere. For those of you who adore the timeless elegance of classic Hamptons style, let's delve into the paint colors that perfectly capture this essence. From popular brands, consider hues like Simply White by Benjamin Moore or Alabaster by Sherwin-Williams. These shades work harmoniously with traditional furnishings and organic materials, enveloping your space in comfort and class. Textures play a significant role in this style. Linens, wools, and even light leathers in furniture contribute to the cozy and comfortable vibe. Opt for natural fibers in rugs and window treatments for that touch of authentic, earthy texture. Key features often include antique or vintage pieces, perhaps a French provincial bedside table or a weathered mirror above the dresser. These pieces lend a sense of history and sophistication that's unmistakably Hamptons. Dark, wide plank hardwood floors are a mainstay, offering a beautiful contrast to the lighter color schemes. Of course, an area rug in a traditional print can add that extra layer of luxury. Furniture should be both elegant and functional. Four-poster beds or upholstered headboards are common staples. The layout should invite you in, with each piece having its own moment while contributing to the room's overall harmony. In a classic Hamptons bedroom, comfort and elegance walk hand in hand. Start with high thread count cotton sheets in pure white or ivory. Your duvet or quilt should be in a similarly neutral color palette, offering a backdrop that exudes tranquility. Layer with a soft cashmere or wool throw at the foot of the bed for added warmth and luxury. In terms of pillows, go for a combination of European shams and smaller decorative pillows, perhaps in muted floral or damask patterns to add a bit of traditional flair. Lighting is like the jewelry of the room. Crystal chandeliers or soft glow bedside lamps can add both functionality and mood. Now don't forget the accessories, vases with fresh flowers, stacks of coffee table books, And an assortment of beautiful, refined decorative pillows can make the room feel lived in but elegant. When selecting window treatments for a Classic Hamptons home, you're not just choosing coverings for your windows. You're adding layers of texture and elegance that can transform your living space. In this luxurious style, think of window treatments as an ensemble of pieces that work together to create a cohesive and inviting look. Start with natural fibers like linen for curtains. Linen offers a light, airy feel, and its slightly textured appearance adds visual interest. Opt for neutral shades like off-white or beige to keep the room bright and open. For even more depth and functionality, Roman shades can be a fabulous addition. Made from fabric, Roman shades can be raised or lowered to control light and privacy. Opt for shades in a subtle print or texture that complements your linen drapery. They can be both practical and decorative, tying together your layers of window treatments into a cohesive look. If you prefer a more dramatic look, traditional wood shutters can evoke the timeless elegance often seen in Classic Hamptons homes. They are especially useful in rooms that require more privacy or where you wish to control light more explicitly. The wood brings a natural element into the room, which can be painted white or stained to complement other wooden elements in the decor. And there you have it, the full journey through the timeless elegance that is Classic Hamptons style. From the serene color palette to the rich natural fabrics and vintage chosen furnishings, I hope you're as enchanted by this iconic design style as I am. But wait, we're not done sailing through the Hamptons universe just yet. If you've fallen in love with the classic style, but crave a dash of sea breeze in your home, you won't want to miss our next video. We'll be diving into coastal Hamptons style, an equally enchanting world where the spirit of the ocean meets luxurious living. Imagine a space where driftwood tones and oceanic blues reign supreme. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, design your space, design your life. See you in the next episode, where we bring the beach right to your doorstep. Thank you kindly for watching. Watch this next video for more inspiration and remember to live life fabulously.